All right, we've got the closing bell sounding on this Wednesday, July 15th, and we've seen quite a rally on this Wednesday. In fact, you've got stocks up for 4 days in a row. Let's take a look at the action today as the market kind of settles in here. And we've got those equity averages pretty much at their best levels of the day, closing at the best levels of the day. A lot of buying, many groups participating in this rally. The S&P 500, a gain of about 3% here, just shy of 3% at the close. The Dow up more than 3%, up 258 points at 86.17, and the Nasdaq, Intel, a big reason why we've seen a big move in those technology names. The Nasdaq up 3.5% at 1862. So, Chris, I've been talking about it being a broad-based rally. Let's get more, though, on some of the specific movers. Chris is down at the NYSE, so a lot of names participating in this rally today, Chris.
A lot of names participating in this rally. Broadest rally in about 2 months. Actually, all 24 industry groups on the S&P 500 higher for this session. One of the highest, we had the highest volume all week, not just at the New York Stock Exchange, but all volume at all U.S. exchanges was the highest all week. So certainly participation was there. In fact, it was the highest volume since last Wednesday. Earnings and economic data, we'll call it E squared, is what helped us out today. I'm a nerd, I know. Technology stocks leading the way. Semis in particular taking off. I mean, you know that Intel report really helping out. Why are semis so important? Well, because they're bellwethers for the global economy. They really tell us what's happening out there at a global standpoint. So certainly that really leading the gain. And the economic data, we saw an improvement in manufacturing. We saw an improvement in industrial production. The Fed minutes, the Fed raising their expectations for what's going to happen for the year. And then, of course, we had those charge-off rates from American Express, from Discover Financial, indicating that the defaults or the write-offs for them aren't as high as they had been previously in June. So a lot of factors really contributing to this rally, Carol.
All right, so a lot of factors in this rally. The Dow, I'm looking at, Chris, the rise, 3.1%, most since April 9th. Talk to me about the mood on the floor, because we've had a couple of days of gains here, more than a couple of days.
Yeah, and you know what? The guys certainly told me if they'll have 4 straight days of gains, more than 400 points, they'll take it any time. And also, the guys were pretty excited, I got to tell you, about SpongeBob. You see all the yellow ties around here?
You are a nerd.
You didn't see it, Ebert. I know, I can't help it. But anyways, so certainly they did. In all seriousness, certainly happy to see some